If your network is still running on 1 gigabit switch, there's a good chance it's holding everything back. Large file transfers, backups, editing workflows, and virtualization all demand more bandwidth than a 1 gig can actually provide anymore. Today, we're looking at a switch that is built specifically to remove that bottleneck. This is the CRS312, one of MikroTik's first switches designed around 10 gigabit RJ45 networking. These can run as 10G RJ45 Ethernet or 10G SFP plus fiber, depending on how your network is built. That flexibility makes it easy to mix copper and fiber connections without needing extra hardware. At first glance, this looks like a pretty standard 1U rack switch, but the ports on the front tell a very different story. The CRS312 give you 8 dedicated 10 gigabit RJ45 Ethernet ports, which means you can connect high-performance servers, workstations, or storage devices directly over copper. And alongside those, you also get 4 combo ports. These can run as 10G RJ45 Ethernet or 10G SFP plus fiber. Real performance of this switch comes from the hardware inside. At the core of the CRS312 is a Marvel 98DX8212 switching chip, which is responsible for moving data between all of those ports. This chip allows the switch to deliver 120 gigabytes per second of non-blocking throughput, a 240 gigabit switching capacity, and forwarding rate of 178 million packets per second. In practical terms, that means multiple 10 gig devices can push traffic at the same time without the switch becoming the bottleneck. Supporting that switching hardware is a 650 MHz CPU with 64 megabytes of RAM, which handles system management, configuration, and operating system tasks. This switching chip moves the traffic while the CPU handles the control side of the network. The CRS312 can run 2 different operating systems, depending on how you want to configure the switch. The first option is the SwOS, which is a lightweight interface focused purely on switching. It's simple, fast, and designed for straightforward Layer 2 configurations. The second option is RouterOS, which unlocks additional networking capabilities like routing features, scripting, and deeper network control. That flexibility allows the CRS312 to operate as a high-speed switch or as part of more advanced network setup. This switch includes dual AC power supplies, so if one power source fails, the switch continues running. Cooling is handled by 4 internal fans, helping keeping the system stable even under heavy network loads. If your network is starting to outgrow gigabit speeds, the CRS312 is a strong step into the world of 10 gig networking. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.